Hey guys, welcome to Toys Unboxed, and today we're going to take a look at this awesome Lego set. As you can tell right on the box, it features Batman and Catwoman. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a look around the box, and then we're going to get started putting this thing together just to see exactly what it looks like. Alright, so let's dive in here. Let's see, well, obviously we could see some great pictures of Batman and Catwoman. Right away, we could tell that it's ages 5 and 12. Small pieces, very small pieces, guys. So we want to make sure we don't choke on them. So ages 5 and 12. Obviously, I'm older than 12, so 5 and up. 5 and up. So here, we could see Batman and Catwoman there as a set, which is what we have. It looks like we have Robin, and yeah, not really sure who that guy is. And then Flash and Freeze. So there's definitely some more sets we can do, and I think as time goes on, we definitely will take care of that. And there's another image of Batman and Catwoman. We can see right here, we have a smaller Batman, and that's the actual size, as you can see. It says actual size. So that's really, really cool. All right, guys, let's crack this thing open. And let's see what's inside. Alright, so that is really, really cool. So, this is everything out of the bags, guys. We have a lot of stuff to put together. We have Batman's instructions. We have Catwoman's instructions. We have the cape. We have so many parts here and so many smaller pieces back here. It looks like we have some work to do. So, what we're going to do is we're going to get started. And when we're done, we're gonna sit and play with these things and see what they look like, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can't wait. All right, guys, we hope you enjoy us putting this thing together, and we'll see you soon. Alright, guys, Batman is done. What do you think?
Yeah.
He's cool, right?
I have.
We can play with him in a little bit. So you can see him like riding in his little car. That's so cool.
I'm gonna make
That's so cool. We're gonna make Catwoman soon, okay?
I'll make this.
We will. Alright, guys. That is cool. We'll see you back when Catwoman's done. Alright, there she is. So cool. There's Catwoman, holding her gem. And then here's Batman. All right, there he is. Holding his batarang, driving his vehicle. So cool.
Okay, cool.
He's cool, right?
Yeah.
It's Batman.
Yeah.
And you see Catwoman?
Yeah.
In her car? She's cool, huh? You want to play around? Go ahead.
Let's have a race.
You want to have a race? All right, why don't you come right over here? Right here. Push it. Vroom.
Hi, Batman.
Hey, Catwoman.
I have to drive for you.
You want to drive for me?
Okay, let's go.
Where are we going?
I go to this room.
All right, so here
Here go Batman.
is Batman.
And here's a kitty.
There he is, holding his batarang. Who do you have there? Can I see?
Yeah.
That's Catwoman.
That's Catwoman.
That is Catwoman in her car.
Catwoman and have
In her car, she's got a tail on here. That's really cool. All right. All right, guys, and there you have it. There is our Batman and Catwoman.
I will have Catwoman.
I'll give you Catwoman in just a second, okay? All right, guys, and there you go. We have some pieces left over. This is Catwoman's here. I guess, I don't know what it is, to be honest. Maybe it's her lunchbox. But I do have some extra pieces here. I don't think they're needed. I think they're interchangeable with Batman stuff. You can maybe put his fire thing, change it there with an orange one. What have you. But that's it. That's all we have. And
I just have the race.
there is Batman and Catwoman
The Catwoman
enjoying
and Batman.
being in their vehicles.
Big.
All right, guys. We appreciate your time. Thank you so much for joining us on Toys Unboxed. And please hit that subscribe button. Let us know in the comments below what you want us to unbox next. And please hit that thumbs up. It's really going to help us out a lot. Again, we appreciate it, guys. Thank you. And until next time, bye-bye.